This car always puts a smile on my face. The noises, the sounds, everything coming from the car is always so amazing. I want you guys to hear this exhaust note here. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Hot Wheels Dad. And I wanted to start this video off by saying thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for helping me grow this channel. Over the past 6 months or so, I cannot give enough gratitude to you guys for helping me grow. I started this channel about 10 years ago, 2009-ish, and I would upload sporadically here and there, and I never thought I would be able to reach 185 subscribers. And it's only growing, so I want to just say thank you so much, and I appreciate it, and I look forward to giving you guys more content that you guys love. So a question that I've been asked lately is, how do you make money on YouTube? People look at my channel and they see 150, 180 subscribers, and it doesn't qualify for the 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours watch time, which allows you to be monetized. So today's video, I wanted to dig deep and I wanted to show you guys exactly how I make money on YouTube. So let's start with YouTube's qualifications. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. Now my channel, it gets quite a bit of watch time and quite a bit of views, but my subscriber base isn't quite there yet. And I am currently trying to grow that to the 1,000 subscribers. Like I mentioned, I really just started uploading some videos within the last 6 months consistently, and I started to see the growth. So in my last video, I talked about the consistency. I talked about setting my goals. So my goal for 2020 is to reach that 1,000 subscribers. And hopefully with your guys' help, I'll get there. So my main source of income from YouTube is my Amazon affiliate links that you guys see in my descriptions. When I do a how-to video or I do a new mod or I make a purchase, I create a partnership with Amazon to where whenever you guys click on my links, I actually make a commission off of that. I'm not going to dig in deep into how affiliate marketing works, but there's tons of YouTube videos out there. You can go and do an easy YouTube search and do some research on it. But basically what it is, I link a product to my page. Every time you guys click on it, you make a purchase. Even if it's not the item that I am advertising, Amazon tracks the fact that you reached a product from my link, and I make a small commission off of it. So let's say, for instance, my Husky wheel liners. I do have a link in the description of my video. Let's say you guys are in the market for that. You see it, you click it, and at the time you see, okay, I don't want to spend the $150 for these liners. So, but what I do, what I'm looking for is I do need some microfiber towels to wash my car. So you do a little search from there and you buy those microfiber towels. I make a small commission off that because you use my link to get to those microfiber towels. Now, just like with YouTube, there is an actual approval process that you have to go through when joining Amazon affiliate program. You do have to get approved. You have to submit an application. After you submit that application, they give you full access to the affiliate program for the first 180 days. Within those 180 days, you have to make 3 qualified sales. They review your social media pages. They review what you're selling from, and then they give an approval. So over the course of the last few months, I've been able to actually monetize my account based off of those affiliate links. I can go to Amazon's website. They have a tracker. They have a full-on page where your store can be tracked, how many clicks you guys are clicking on, how much money is being spent. It's all laid out on a graph, which is actually pretty neat. So when you guys are actually making a purchase, I can see what is being purchased, and I can use that to my advantage to do more marketing. If you guys are liking my content, if you guys are clicking on my links, and you guys are purchasing items, let's just say you do purchase a microfiber towel, I can start linking that link to my videos because you guys are making those purchases. So when you look at YouTube as a whole and you look at these pages who have millions of subscribers and you're wondering if YouTube is the only way that they're making money based off of ad revenue, yes, it could be, but also they can be generating revenue based off of these affiliate links. So I encourage you guys, if you are starting out a YouTube channel, definitely look at all of your options at ways to monetize your account. Growing a channel is not always easy, and like I mentioned, I've had my YouTube channel for over 10 years now, and recently it just kind of started to gain some traction and start to grow. So it definitely motivated me to start posting more, making more content, taking more videos of my car, my truck, my family time, getting some content of real estate, real estate investing. So when you guys are trying to grow your channel on YouTube, don't get discouraged when your channel doesn't grow as fast as you had hoped, because there are other options to make money out there. I want to thank you guys for subscribing. Again, I never imagined that just growing a couple hundred subscribers was even possible. My 2020 goal, like I mentioned earlier, is to make it to that 1,000 subscribers. So if you like the content, you continue to love what I do, if you want more, please comment more of what you guys want to see on this channel, whether it's family time, investment, cars, whatever it is. I encourage you to please comment down below and let me know what you guys like. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my videos, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.